Hello everyone, this is Adam with Some More Fun RV Rental, and I wanted to do a video on how to operate your generator and some troubleshooting, maybe some problems that you may run into. I always notice at this part of the walkthrough on the RV, the phones come out and start recording, so I figured I'd put it on YouTube and have it as a backup. So you have your hour screen, generator, start and stop. You're gonna hold stop. You're gonna get a red light. It's gonna zero out and you're gonna get how many hours you have on the generator. Then you go straight, hold start, boom, let it go. It's that easy. Wait for the sound of the microwave to beep. Once the microwave beeps, that means you have power now coming from the generator into the RV. You can operate the slide outs, turn the fridge on, run the AC, watch TV. See, you just heard the sound of the microwave, so that means we got power. I still let it go just a little bit longer. And then now, if you want to do your slide out. Oh, what's important too, once you fire up the generator, just make sure your main power light is on. So the lights are on, so that means the main power light is already on, which is right over here. Main power. Okay, so we're gonna come back to your control panel here. So you heard the microwave beep. And for slide out one, you just hit extend. You're gonna want to extend it all the way out. I'm going to do a more detailed video on the slide outs because there's much more to go into as far as cleaning and troubleshooting. But I just wanted to demonstrate the power from the generator, operating the slide outs. So once you're done with the generator and you want to turn it off, all you do is hold stop and it turns off. So that's it. That's how to operate the generator. Now, what are some problems that would happen? Let's say your battery, your generator won't start. You killed your battery, or you ran too much with the generator. So if you had the generator running, you had everything going, TVs, AC, phones plugged in, laptops plugged in, fridge going, everything running off the generator. It can handle it, but it's not ideal and it's not good for the long term. Generators are meant to be used. Use them definitely. That it's one of the good things about them is that using them is good for it, because it's letting it sit, not good. So let's say your generator won't start. You're out here on your control panel, you're trying to fire it up and it's not starting. There's a breaker switch, which I'm going to show you right now on the generator. So let's go ahead and head over to the generator and I will show you some troubleshooting out there. So let's go ahead and stop it. I just hold it till it's done. And that's how you turn it on and off. All right, so I wanted to add this in. So this is a Cummins ONAN 4000 generator. It powers everything in the RV. Maintenance. So since this video is meant for the renters, I do all the maintenance, but we'll just do a quick little overview. You have your air filter there. You would unscrew that nut there and pull out the air filter. I would only use ONAN parts on my generator. You have your oil. You can check your oil. I use SAE 30. You can look online for if you are using a generator in colder temperatures, like extreme cold temperatures. I'm not an expert on oil, but I know you can use a different one for extreme temperatures. So you got your spark plug right there, and underneath here, find it, there it is, you got your fuel filter. So you got your fuel filter, oil, air filter, spark plug. You're supposed to change it every 100 hours or once a year. So I would document how many hours you had when you maintenance it. Very important that you do that. I'll put the link in the description to help out as far as what tools you'll need, what to use, if this helps any fellow travelers. So it can be started from the outside. You would hold stop prime, the red light would turn on, and then you let go and just push start, hold start, and it will fire on up. And you have some indicator lights there, but the most important one out here is this breaker. I want to do this video. So let's say that breaker is forward and your generator is not starting up. It won't start out from the outside, won't start on the inside. And most likely you blew this breaker here. So if that's forward, pull it back towards you. Maybe you're running the generator and you had just too much going on and it blew the breaker, and now your generator won't turn on or turn off, or won't turn on. I had someone call a renter and that's what happened, and once they hit that switch, fired right on up. So just be conscious of how much power you are using. It can handle it. It can handle it, keep everything going, but it's just not ideal. And it's not for the good for the long term. But it's good to use your generator. You definitely want to be using your generator. Alright, so hopefully that helps. That's maintenance, troubleshooting, and how to start and stop your generator from the inside. Alright, hope this helps our renters. This is Adam with Some More Fun RV Rental.